Hey everyone, how are you doing? Originally I had this at 201, one of the first lessons at the next level. It's called white noise. I decided to change it. It's going to be 203, so after the blue light. So this is white noise, see, view, communicate with entities. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Alright, this will be another first on YouTube, so remember that again. Alright? Well, let me tell you a little background story. I discovered it years before the movie White Noise came out. You guys remember that thriller, White Noise? You could probably check it up on Google or something like that. What I did was, years before, I showed a few people this method, and everyone called me later when the movie came out, and they all had chills and questions, sort of panicked. I said that it was exaggerated by Hollywood, and it was, but the writers knew about the secret, and it was real enough. This is another shocker for many people who want to see, view, communicate with entities through a gateway. I advise caution, as you would need to have a clear mind and no negative intent. What you feel is what you attract. That's one of the laws of attraction, and it applies here. If you are the average person and went through my lessons from the beginning, this is yet another shocker. Like I mentioned earlier, just like the blue light and the auras, just note, this is in real time. No trances, falling asleep, self-hypnosis, or any type of weird trickery, etc. But first, here's the preparatory requirement. This is what you need. If you have a religious background, a good opening and closing prayer stating your intent and protection from any negativity before and after the session would be recommended. Now, if your faith is not strong enough, just dried white sage, any match is good enough if you're not into the traditional religious prayers. Okay, now for strong-willed people with clear minds and self-confidence, nothing is needed. Okay, now let's get started. Number 1, you have to prepare yourself mentally. So clear your mind and intent, sit in a comfortable position, and you don't have to turn off the lights or wait till nightfall. You could do it any time of the day. So press pause and do the preparatory requirement like I mentioned before, and if you finish that one, press play. In about a few seconds, you will see the white noise. So, you can do it on any white noise source. I'm slightly, lazy, so I just copied this one from another YouTube channel. So, but it works anywhere, any white noise source. Okay? Now that you're settled down and loosely focus in the center of the screen, you will now use the power of your mind to influence the white noise. I know, but this is how. When you look at the white noise, try to persuade the random snow pattern of all those white, black, gray balls of interference to all move horizontally to the left. So try to make everyone, all those little things, try to make it move left instead of all random pattern all over the place. So visualize and lead it going to the left. Yeah, it's sort of funny, huh? How they follow your telepathic commands. Now, move it to the right. How about up and down? Try diagonal. You know, here's a tough one. Try a 3D tornado. It's a little tough. It's pretty cool, huh? Well, these are the exercise components to command the gateway. Now, when you're done with these exercises, now loosely focus in the center and center of the screen and clear your mind. Then use the same technique as you did for the aura exercises in 102 and 103. Wait for it. Wait for it. Tell me what you see. I don't want to influence you, so I will remain silent for another 15 seconds. Did you see an outline of a human or entity, either walking by or actually recognizing that you are watching them? They may stop, look at you, or even come to you. I know, you may freak out or it's a little shocking, but, this is your opportunity to, do as you may like to communicate, either visually, voice recorder, glitches on your device, or whatever it means. They can't hurt you or do anything. Just remember that, alright? Now, this may seem a little shocking and scary, but this is just like a cake. A reality with many layers, and this is just a sample of one of them. And go ahead and experiment with this if you like, but again, do not make it an obsession and dwell with this. Just use it as a fun activity. Now, for those non-believers, like I said, just think of this as a cool magic Jedi mind trick, and so please, no negative comments on other people's opinions, alright?